Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the ultimate mid-range powerhouse of 2025. If you are looking for a phone that combines stylish design, powerful performance, and an amazing camera, then the A57 5G is built for you. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A57 5G features a premium glass back, sleek frame, and vibrant AMOLED display. It feels luxurious yet lightweight, making it perfect for one-hand usage. The edge-to-edge screen provides a fully immersive experience for watching videos, gaming, or browsing apps. The build quality is top-notch, and the phone looks as elegant as it performs. Now let's talk about the camera. The A57 5G has a high-resolution front camera that is perfect for selfies, video calls, and content creation. Coupled with the brilliant main camera system, you can capture stunning photos with ultra-wide shots, night mode, and sharp clarity. Videos are recorded in high definition, with smooth performance and vibrant colors, making it ideal for creators who want professional quality results without a flagship price. When it comes to performance, this phone is a beast. Powered by the latest mid-range chipset, 8GB RAM, and 5G connectivity, multitasking is seamless. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly without lag, and streaming is ultra-fast. You can enjoy heavy apps, social media, and content creation without worrying about performance dips. The battery life is impressive, keeping you powered throughout the day. Fast charging ensures you can quickly get back to work or entertainment. Other features include One UI 5.1, expandable storage, and enhanced security, providing both flexibility and reliability. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is a perfect balance of style, camera, and performance. It is ideal for anyone looking for a mid-range phone that feels premium, performs exceptionally, and captures every moment beautifully. So, if you want the ultimate mid-range phone of 2025, don't miss out on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Check mark like, comment, and subscribe for daily tech updates, reviews, and unboxing videos. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting tech release.